Meaning of duodenal.
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 Duodenal. The term duodenal pertains to the duodenum, which is the first section of the small intestine. It receives partially digested food from the stomach and further breaks it down with digestive enzymes and bile before passing it on to the rest of the small intestine. Disorders affecting the duodenum can cause various symptoms such as abdominal pain, bloating, diarrhea, and weight loss. These disorders include duodenal ulcers, duodenitis, and duodenal cancer. Treatment may involve medications, lifestyle changes, and in severe cases, surgery. Proper diagnosis and prompt treatment are essential for managing duodenal conditions.